In this box, I have got a 40-year-old decayed Chuck E. Cheese mask. So let's open it up. This is gonna be pretty crazy. If you haven't seen my last unboxing video, I opened up this Mr. Munch mask, which is such a sick thing. I go in detail about it in that video, so go check it out if you're interested in that. This one, even crazier, way more rare. So let's open it up. So, what character do we have this time? Well, it is the man, the myth, the legend, Pasqually. Where am I gonna put this box? It is so big. Is that in frame? I don't know. Wait, let me put you down. Oh my gosh, he looks rough like this. So the Pasqually mask. What do we got going here? Oh my gosh, he's terrifying looking. That's, oh my gosh. So as you can see, we have got a really messed up looking Pasqually mask here. Wow, he's way more destroyed looking than Mr. Munch is. He has so many rips and tears in his face. It's melted, which is crazy to say about this guy. He has no hat. I wouldn't say he's bald because he's got a lot of hair, but he's got this big lump on his head made of foam, which says Pasqually 2A. What is that? JB? Johnny Blocks? When we put him down, he gets real squished because he has no structural integrity on his own. So this mask right here, like I mentioned, is around like 40 years old. It is a latex Pasqually mask. And as far as I know, this is the only one that still exists. Or at least the only one that's publicly still alive. I have not seen a single person that still has an original latex Pasqually mask. So this is very interesting to see, and I'm really excited to be able to show this off to you guys. So it's cool, I wanna show you some close-ups of this guy. I think the best quality video ever that we've gotten of a latex Pasqually mask, because back then when they were used, they did not have good cameras. So this is actually some historic footage here, which is awesome to say. And we can make him talk. Ho ho, it's me. No, he would be more like, wahoo, mamma mia, it's me, Pasqually. This is very interesting looking. I assume the normal Pasqually would not be this color. I assume he would have lighter skin and less like red looking skin. Definitely less cracked and ripped up. So I think he's definitely been discolored. His face has definitely also been morphed a bit because he has been melted. There's a reason why not many of these exist, and there's a reason why Chuck E. Cheese stopped using these guys so early on and switched to the plastic masks. But I guess a little bit of history on this guy I should probably give you. Like I mentioned, this is a latex Chuck E. Cheese mask. It is from a 3-stage. They started using these masks right after converting Rockafire Explosion stages into the Chuck E. Cheese stages, like I mentioned in my last video with Mr. Munch. Difference being, the Munch head that I have is a plastic mask, and they didn't use these guys until a bit later on. They started off with these latex ones. I'll talk about it more in a future video, but reason being is, you know, they're more lifelike looking. Their faces can stretch to move their mouths. You don't have to have the mouth be a separate piece of the mask if you want it to talk. So they're pretty cool to have on animatronics. Also way scarier looking. I mean, look at this. I probably look pretty scary right now. Can you hear me? Let me leave a little hole. That probably is better now. I wonder what this looks like. I wish I could.
Wahoo! It's me, Pasqually.
Who wants a pizza? It's me, Pasqually. We're waiting every night. I'm gonna stop playing around with this guy now because it is very fragile and very, shoot. I say that and then drop it. It's very fragile and is already broken a lot. As you can see between the eyes, it's tearing a lot. And I do wanna make sure it doesn't tear off completely. So I do wanna get this guy a little bit more structure. Let's fill it with bubble wrap. I'm gonna do that. Fill him up with bubble wrap to give him some more structural support. There we go. Now he's a bit more structurally sound. I don't need to hold him up anymore. And now you can see a little bit more what he would look like with his head frame, you know, with some structure. And it's pretty cool looking. I do eventually want to get this guy a head frame. I actually have one being made. I plan on doing a future video, hopefully, you know, maybe fixing him up a bit, making him stronger and less likely to fall apart. And then I've got these eyes for him that I want to put inside of it, so I can have him as a cool display piece instead of something I'm trying to just keep safe. And like I mentioned before, this guy, as far as I know, is the only Latex Pasqually mask that still exists, or at least in the public. You know, it's the only publicly known one, to my knowledge, that is out there. So I would love to get people to be able to see this. I really want to bring it to some type of event where people can come see it and take pictures. For now, I'm, you know, making a video so people can see it, but I would really love that. And then, you know, when I give this guy his eyes and his head frame, it'll be an even more complete thing, and I think that'll be really cool. So I want to do that eventually. Oh wow, it's pretty horrifying. We'll just leave the one eye, I guess. And this guy doesn't have a hat. I've been trying to get a hat for him, but you wouldn't believe how difficult it is to find a 3-stage Pasqually hat. I've been trying for like a year, pretty much this whole year. I just haven't been able to find one. At least not for an affordable price. I've seen one for like $300, which like I'm not gonna do that for just a hat. And I don't want a reproduction hat, I do want a real one. I actually do have a chef hat. Because I used a chef hat, a chef costume in my expired Chuck E. Cheese pizza video. So I'm gonna go get that and put this on this guy. This will be my first time seeing him with a chef hat on. If it fits, I don't even know if it will. I wonder how far the connection between this mic goes. Because I'm like at the other side of my house right now. It'd be pretty cool if the mic's still picking up. Or where is this costume? Oh no, it might have been put away with the Halloween decorations. Wait, I found the costume. Where's the hat? Well, I found the costume. What happened to you? Oh, the eye. His eye's falling in. I can't find the hat, so boom, there it is. He's got a hat on now. And this is what he will look like when I'm done with him. Well, okay, maybe I'll do a bit better than that. So yeah, here he is, the Pasqually latex mask. I think it's really sick. It's sure terrifying, but it's cool, you know? Here, let's do a thumbnail. I still cannot believe that I have this thing. Boy, it's real ugly looking, but it's crazy. This is a piece of history. And I hope to make, oh my gosh, some cool content with him in the future. And I hope to preserve him in a way, because, I mean, look at this guy. He's real messed up, but he deserves new life. And I plan to give that to him. I love this guy. Can't wait to meet you. So join the Animatronic family. We open real soon. Connection terminated. I'm sorry to interrupt you, Elizabeth, if you still even remember that name. But I'm afraid you've been misinformed. Hey, how's it going, Mr. Munch? I'm doing pretty good. How about you, Pasqually? I'm doing pretty well. That's great to hear, Pasqually. My collection is really growing. I have gotten a lot of heads recently. I've got Chucky head, Pasqually head, Mr. Munch head. At this rate, I might even be able to get the whole band of heads of 3-stage heads. Because I've got Pasqually and Munch. I only need 3 more, and then all the other guys too. But yeah, I don't know what else I could really talk about in this video. If you have any questions about this guy, ask me and I'll answer to the best of my ability in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. And if you want to watch my video with Munch, you can click that button over there. If you want to subscribe, you can click the button on top of my head. If you want to watch some other video, you can click the button on top of this guy's head. And we will all see you next time.